it's PattyKakes. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to give a shout out to my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for your support. I would like to welcome all my new viewers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Now let's cook some General Tso's chicken and some fried rice. First, I'm going to season about 5 to 6 chicken thighs. I seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of cornstarch. Now let's get them to frying. After finish frying your thighs, we're going to mix the sauce. I like to use General Tso sauce. So we're going to take about a cup of General Tso sauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, and about a 1/3 cup of water. And we're going to mix that together. You're going to let it cook on low for about 5 minutes until it thickens just a little. After 5 minutes, you're going to place that chicken in your sauce. Okay, so now we're going to make our fried rice. We're going to start off with a cup of onions. We're going to saute the onions. And we're going to saute the peas and the carrots with the onion. Okay, after sauteing your onions, your peas, and your carrots for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add in a cup of 3-day-old rice. That's about 2 cups of rice. So we're going to add that in there. Get that stirred a little bit. We're going to take a little bit of roasted sesame oil, probably about 2 tablespoons, not much. And about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to give that a good mix. About 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to put in a tablespoon of garlic butter. And we're going to stir that around a little bit. And I scrambled 3 eggs. I'm going to put in about 3 eggs. And we're going to get that all mixed. After about 5 minutes of stirring and sauteing, here's your fried rice.